Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Nginx Hardening Guide for Production VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your VPS terminal. Use SSH to connect to your server. Log in with your username and password or SSH key. Ensure your server has the latest package updates. Run the command to update your package manager. Next, install Nginx if it's not already installed. Use the command to install Nginx. After installation, start the Nginx service. Check the status to ensure it's running properly. Now, navigate to the Nginx configuration directory. Open the main Nginx configuration file. Create a backup of the original configuration file. Modify the configuration file to secure your server. Set the server name to avoid exposing the server's details. Disable unwanted HTTP methods to enhance security. Implement rate limiting to prevent DOS attacks. Add a firewall using UFW to restrict traffic. Allow only essential ports, such as SSH and HTTP/HTTPS. Now, install certbot for SSL certificates. Follow the steps to set up certbot with Nginx. Obtain an SSL certificate using the certbot command. Automatically configure Nginx to use SSL. Test your Nginx configuration for syntax errors. Reload Nginx to apply the changes. Consider setting up security headers in the Nginx configuration. Add headers to mitigate cross-site scripting and clickjacking. Use file permissions to secure your Nginx directories. Restrict access to sensitive files and directories. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.